The Nubia Z80 Ultra is set to launch in China on October 22nd. The official teaser not only confirms the launch date but also gives a first look at its sleek design and finish. The phone will be available in 3 color variants: Phantom Black, Glacial White, and Starry Collector's Edition. Nubia has now unveiled the design of a dedicated photography kit for the upcoming Z80 Ultra. The kit features a retro design, physical buttons, and a quick attachment interface. It appears to come with wide and zoom lens attachments. It seems that there will be a triple camera setup. The phone will use a 1/1.3-inch OmniVision 990 sensor for the main rear camera with a 35mm lens. It will also offer an 18mm equivalent ultra-wide camera with a 1/1.55-inch sensor. The phone will also get a telephoto camera that is teased to offer 50x hybrid zoom and OIS. It will be a flat AMOLED screen with a 144Hz refresh rate, and just like its predecessor, it will have an under-display camera on the front. Nubia Z80 Ultra come with Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 equipped with 16GB of RAM and runs Android 16 out of the box. Powering the phone is a large 7100 mAh battery that supports 90W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.